Hi everyone, Mary Carg again. This is the third and final step before we get to the fun part of coloring on the metal. I have two different green patinas here. They both work well. There's other brands out there too. As long as they say green patina for copper or bronze, this is what you want. It's kind of, you can see from this, hopefully it's kind of liquidy blue. And that's what you want. And so I'm just going to dip my brush into my bottle. I've got my two pieces here that I've roughed up and I've already drilled, and I'm just going to paint this on here, make sure that it gets all covered. And you'll notice that the bright shiny new copper starts to turn a darker, older penny copper, and that's what you want to look for initially. If you've been handling your pieces a lot, you may notice that there are some areas that are not really taking the patina. Could be just some hand oils. Most likely it's just hand oils. And what I usually recommend is you take the paintbrush and load it up with the green patina and almost scrub the piece, excuse me, and that will pretty much take all of your hand oils off. Like that. So now we let it dry. I want to just show you, this is about at the 2-minute mark where after I painted this on, and hopefully you can see this, but I've got some areas right in here where, and right in there, where the patina is not turning the copper. So I'm going to go after it a little bit more, and I'm really going to scrub this again. And I've also got some areas on my little bird that I'm going to scrub. Must have been holding on to his belly a lot. It's pretty sparkly still. And onto his beak. And that looks like I've got it pretty good. Alright, I'll let that dry. If that didn't do the trick, then I most often what I'll do is I'll take my little structured tooth bit again in the flex shaft, and I will just go over that spot. It probably means that I missed a spot when I was doing the roughing up, so hopefully that'll take care of it, and I won't need to do this, but that's always a possibility. Just wanted to show you what the bird is starting to look like at about the 5-minute mark. He's starting to dry and get really green. You can start to see a bit of a crust, if you will, that's forming on the surface of the copper, and that's what we want. Okay, this is about at the 5-6 minute mark after the last application of the green patina. I've got all my little sparkly copper parts covered up. He looks pretty green, looks like he could be the Statue of Liberty's friend, and that's what I'm looking for. He's got kind of a powdery surface, there's crystals forming on the top, and he's now ready to color, and we'll do that next.